Hello, everyone. My name is Julie White. I'm the program manager for Evolve 365. AI has become an integral part of our daily work. I think we're used to prompting browsers like Google or Bing. These prompts were best as short, concise requests. But with AI, we're learning to prompt differently. To get the best results from Copilot, imagine the AI is a new employee joining your team. Like a new hire, AI can only perform well if it has access to the right information, clear instructions, and ongoing feedback. AI needs access to files, chats, emails, calendars, and an organizational knowledge base. Giving AI clear instructions is known as prompt engineering. For AI to perform best, we need to tell it who it's speaking as, or the persona, what it should do, the task, how it should deliver it, the format and the tone, and who it's for, the audience. Give this a try the next time you prompt Copilot. Practice prompting Copilot as well. It will help you learn how to get the best results. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.